This guy got his physical. This is your daily reminder. You men, get your physical. Physically fit. Physically fit. Okay, how was the coffin drop?
The coffin drop.
You are watching
Da Boy Family Juice.
Hallelujah!
I'm so glad that these are so childproof because, oh yeah, that's great. He can pull them off and put them back in. Good job, buddy. So much. Hello, everybody. Nico, say hi. Say hi. Can you wave? Hi. No. He is busy watching the wheels on the bus. Adana did great. She got a 9.8 on floor last night, a 9.6 on beam. Her vault, she had a mishap, so she got an 8.9, and then bars were like 9.4. So she did great. So I expect her back today sometime. And Alex is getting a physical right now, so who knows if they'll do the coffin drop. I kind of want to ask him. I really want him to stay up with his health because we don't know how his dad died. His mother has had a stroke in her 70s, in her late 70s. She's now in her 80s, but she had a stroke and his dad died like at an early age. I want to say in his 50s, maybe 60s, but we don't know anything. We don't know how he died. We just know that he got sick maybe and went to the hospital and was like dead a day later. And you know, I want to find out what's going on with the genetics. So if he died from something that can be prevented, that Alex might show signs of, I want to catch him now. So he's getting a physical and then he's going to get a colonoscopy. Okay, then you can pay your car. Make sure you turn it on. And anyway, so that's what he's doing right now. And I got an early morning workout today because he's going to be gone all day. So I'm just doing the daily mom grind. And YouTube, I'm trying to comment on the community tab because it won't let me enable comments. I've tried and I don't think YouTube trusts me. So, because remember when I was demonetized back in June, that was fun. Because I've been violating COPPA somehow by showing kids in leotards and showing kids swimming. It's just kind of a joke. Do it again. Bill just goes crazy with this remote control car. You like that, Billy? Do it again. Whoa! Get it, Bill. Oh, no. He won't drink out of the water pail. Kenya's playing with her LOL dolls that she loves. Yes, I know LOLs are skanky when you get them wet or whatever, but we've checked these ones and these ones are not, so that's good. Have you guys heard about that? When you put them like in ice water, they change. And I got Nico asleep, Naoma asleep, and I don't have to go pick up Adana once again. It's fabulous. I have a whole extra hour. So just running around doing laundry. Kenya, hush. Putting winter away and checking off my to-do list. I think it's time to size up on diapers. She's gone all the way around. Gosh, no. This is a onesie you just toss. You got these three at home. You're singing Baby Shark. We're introducing Naoma to Baby Shark. Good job, buddy. We got some popcorn for them. Look at Nico catching right on. Yay! Hate this song. Oh, look at him doing it. Good job, buddy. Big ones. We have popcorn just about every day. It's got a lot of fiber. And she's dancing. Good job, Kenya. You want some more? Lots of fiber, and they love it. Fills them up. Okay. Got these 3 kids out here playing, and I got Moxie coming to do our yard. Trey. He just said the funniest things to me. Why do we wear masks?
Because our breath is disgusting.
He's like, is it because people's breath smells so bad? Oh my gosh, this child. I was mentioning before that this guy got his physical. This is your daily reminder. You men, get your physical. Physically fit. How so? Remember that question I had? I said, how was the coffin drop?
The coffin drop, it's just nasty as ever. And the older you get, it's even worse. There's got to be another way, man.
Hold on, Treyu.
Like, maybe they should get a robot, like, or something. But
so did he have just gloves and
it's
do his
so
thing?
weird, embarrassing, uncomfortable, everything.
Did you have to cough?
Yeah, and it's like, pull your pants down.
What did he say?
Pull your pants down. Pull your pants down.
I know, I heard that the second time. And then
he just goes into it and he starts talking.
Like he's having conversations?
Yeah, it's like, you gotta...
so you don't feel awkward.
There's got to be another way, man. That's just ridiculous.
Us,
It's just awkward and everything, man.
The women have no remorse. We are spread eagle on the table.
That's true. But don't touch the royals, man. Nobody should be... Another man should not be touching my royals, man.
Well...
Nobody.
Yeah, welcome
Other
to
than you.
having everybody and their dogs see you up in, like, way up in there.
That's true. I cannot well, I still can't complain, but I got to commiserate with the women too, man. Because you guys got to go through way more craziness than that.
It's your daily reminder.
That feels just weird.
You liked it. You kind of liked it a little bit.
Yeah, right.
Get your colonoscopy, your physicals, and mammograms. That pretty girl. Drink in the bath. Yes, you are. You like that? Yes. This day wants the bath too.
Climb, climb, climb.